Join me as I take on the challenge of exploring rainy Oxford and walking down Beaumont Street without getting soaked. There's something special about exploring a new place on a rainy day, and Oxford is no exception. The rain has a way of bringing out the city's unique atmosphere, and Beaumont Street is the perfect place to experience it. I think we've all been there, planning a fun outdoor adventure only to have the weather forecast dash our hopes with a gloomy prediction. Rain can be such a buzzkill, right? Especially when you're in a city like Oxford, known for its stunning architecture and rich history. You want to be able to take it all in, to admire the grandeur of the university buildings and the quaint charm of the streets. But the rain seems to get in the way, making everything feel gray and miserable. But what if I told you that the rain is actually a blessing in disguise? That it can bring out the beauty of Oxford in a way that's unique and captivating? I know it sounds counterintuitive, but hear me out. The rain has a way of washing away the distractions, of quieting down the crowds and revealing the city's secrets in a way that's only possible on a rainy day. As we walk down Beaumont Street, you can see how the rain brings out the colors of the buildings, making them seem more vibrant and alive. The stone facades glisten with raindrops, and the streets seem to shimmer in the mist. It's like the city is putting on a show just for us, and it's absolutely magical. Beaumont Street is a treasure trove of Oxford's history, with buildings dating back to the 17th century. As we walk, I'll point out some of the hidden gems, like the Ashmolean Museum, which is the oldest public museum in the UK. And keep an eye out for the Brasenose College, one of the oldest and most prestigious colleges in Oxford. As we turn the corner, you'll catch a glimpse of the stunning Oxford University Church of St. Mary the Virgin, its tower rising majestically above the rooftops. The rain has washed away the grime and pollution, revealing the intricate carvings and statues that adorn the building. It's breathtaking, and it's moments like these that make me fall in love with Oxford all over again. As we make our way to the end of Beaumont Street, the rain-soaked streets open up to reveal a stunning view of the Oxford skyline. The rain has created a misty veil that adds to the drama, and for a moment it feels like we're the only ones in the city. There's something enchanting about rainy days in Oxford. Maybe it's the way the rain washes away our expectations, revealing a city that's full of surprises and secrets. Maybe it's the way the gray skies make the colors seem more vivid, the sounds more alive. Whatever it is, I'm hooked, and I hope you are too. Thanks for joining me on this rainy adventure down Beaumont Street. If you've had a similar experience on a rainy day, share it with me in the comments below. And if you want to explore more of Oxford's hidden gems, be sure to check out my other videos. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.